Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make chicken soup, and you can say that I'm enhancing the flavor of our normal chicken soup. So here are the ingredients which you have to take, and before starting this video, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it. You can follow me on Twitter also, and you can like my Facebook page also. So guys, let's start with the following ingredients. Here I have taken approximately 150 milliliters of water, and here some pieces of boneless chicken, and here are the spices. I have taken a pinch of these all spices like salt, turmeric, coriander powder, chicken masala, a pinch of asparagus, hing and red chili powder, and here 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and this is Knorr Chicken Delight soup. So for making this video, I'm starting this video, and let's start making it. Switch on the flame and boil the water into the pan. Once the water gets boiled, then empty the content of this Knorr Chicken Soup Delight into it. This soup contains a little chicken taste and contains a little vegetables and a little chicken flavor. So for enhancing this flavor of chicken soup, I'm using these all ingredients. So believe me guys, they will increase the taste of your chicken soup, and this normal chicken soup will look very tasty and easy recipe. So boil it on the lower flame. Firstly, mix this properly so that one boil appear. Now add all the spices into it. And then mix it again. Now when it gets start thickening, then you can see that it gets thick. Then add the pieces of chicken, boneless chicken here I am using, and this is boiled chicken. Now cook it for 2 minutes more on the lower flame. Now switch off the gas. Now anything which tastes good should looks also good. So I'm serving it in this white bowl, and at the top I'm adding chicken and 1 tablespoon of this lime juice, and this lemon, and this fresh mint leaves, because its fragrance will give it a great taste. And now you can see that it is ready to serve. Guys, if you like my recipe, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it. Believe me, it's very tasty.